you have any? Do you hope she gets anything? What do you hope she gets, Molly?
I hope you eat chocolate cake.
Oh, good. Jack, what do you hope for Grammy on her birthday?
Ice cream.
You hope she gets ice cream?
And I hope she gets cookies and presents.
Oh, and what about you, buddy? What do you hope for Grammy?
Cake.
Some cake, too? Okay, can I have waves bye-bye?
Bye.
Wave bye-bye, Mom?
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy